I know it's no longer Christmas, but I have no idea how to decorate this background. Happy New Year. Oh. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So I hate how I look right now. I just feel like I look disgusting. Excuse me for that. So for today's video, I thought since it's a new year, I would just do a Q&A, answer some of your guys' questions. I feel like I'm really stuffed up, but like in my head, it probably sounds a lot worse than it does to you. So yeah, I feel like this video might be long, so I'm gonna answer your questions, okay? Okay. What is something that annoys you the most? Slow walkers, slow drivers, anyone that is in front of me and is slow. Oh, I want to kick them. Have you ever broken a bone? Kind of. I fractured the side of my foot, and then I fractured 3 places in my wrist, and then I broke my growth plate, all in the 4th grade. Yeah, I was that kid. What is your favorite part about living in Arizona? I love how close it is to California. What is the #1 thing you'll miss about high school? Football games. I already miss football games. I love all the spirit days and things like that go along with it. It's one of my favorites. How old were you when you started YouTube? I think I was 13. Amusement park or ocean? Amusement park for sure. I hate the beach. Like, I don't mind going on the beach, but like the sand. Oh, I hate sand. I hate sand so much. It just, ugh. Have you ever gotten in a car accident or almost have? By the way, I love you, Keegan, so much. I love you too. Okay, so I was actually around this time last year. It was a little bit before winter break, so it was in December of last year, and I wasn't the one driving. So I had 2 friends in the front seat, and then me and one other person were in the back seat. Where I live at this time, the lights, like the turn arrows, were different in each city. Like sometimes it was a lagging arrow and sometimes it was a leading arrow, which means if it goes first or behind like the normal like straight green light. So we were in a turn lane going left, and in this city you normally have the leading turn arrow, so you can go left first and then the people go straight, but it didn't happen because there weren't enough people in the left lane for it to happen. And so my friend driving, she started turning left when we didn't have the green arrow, so all these cars were coming at us, and I wasn't paying attention. I was just like on my phone, and I heard my 2 other friends scream like, stop, 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 and I was like, what? And I look up and I just see all these cars coming at us, and literally it felt like a movie. Like, do you know how movies, like everything's like super slow and it's like slow motion, you're like, whoa, and it's just like shh, and it's not like going as fast. Like, that's what it felt like. And then we got hit and like everything just like sped up. Everyone in like that was going straight stopped when they saw her, but whoever was turning right into the complex that we were turning left into apparently didn't see her, and both the cars were totaled, and it was bad. I'm pretty sure I got a concussion. My head hit the window and it cracked the glass. It was really scary. It was right before finals too, so I'm pretty sure I had a concussion from my math final, and that's why I did so bad. That's what I'd like to tell myself why I did so bad on my math final that year. What is something you learned from the last relationship you were in? I get asked this all the time, surprisingly. I am definitely the type of person to stay in a relationship or a friendship just because I'm used to it, even if I'm not happy. Like, the routine of it is what I stay for, so I feel like I learned that about myself. I learned that I need to like let go of things. Biggest turn off, I hate rude people. If you are rude to like anyone, not like anyone, I'm obviously not like the nicest person in the entire world, but I just don't like people that are like constantly like rude behind people's back or to their face. Like, I just don't think it's funny. When are you going to announce what college you're going to? And if so, will you do vlogs of your daily college life? Love you tons. I can't read, sorry guys. So for the daily vlogging in college, I heard college is really hard, so I don't know if I can do that, so I'm not gonna promise anything. When am I gonna announce what college I'm going to? Okay, well, okay. Well, okay. So, if you know anything about me, I have like a slight like sassy attitude problem. Super small. It's just like so small. And so I was talking about it in one of my vlogs the other day, and someone, because I want to do a video, like I want to do like a whole video announcing it. That video would be more for me than for you guys. It's important to me because like a next chapter in my life and all of this stuff, so I wanted to just like do a whole video. But someone commented about it and they're like, you're so blah blah, you're so extra blah blah, doing a whole video, no one cares, you blah blah, and I'm like, they said something rude, and it really annoyed me, not gonna lie. Whatever that comment said, it was just really rude, and it just really annoyed me. And part of me wants to be like, okay, then I guess you'll just find out in August when I start school. Just won't make an announcement video because I'm too extra for making a whole video about it, but like, But I also know there's people that have been like watching my videos since I was like a freshman. I don't know, like I want to do it soon, but I also don't want to do it soon. I don't know when I'm gonna announce it. When I do, I'll let you know. How do you feel about going to college in the fall? I am terrified. Oh my gosh. Ah! I'm seriously so scared. Like, How do you think your 2017 went? Probably the worst year of my life, not to be dramatic. Betty and Jughead or Veronica and Archie? Betty and Jughead. Veronica and Archie really make me feel uncomfortable. Aren't they like sophomores? And then they're just like, What has been the hardest change that you've gone through this year? My parents got a divorce. That was really rough. It was tough. Moving houses, having 2 separate Christmases, like it was just weird and hard and yeah. What is your biggest tip on starting a channel? Illy too. Go for it. Like whatever's stopping you right now, who cares? If you're worried about what people think, or if you don't have good enough equipment, or if your lighting's not, who cares? Who cares? When I started my channel, I was working on my iPhone 5. Whatever is stopping you, who cares? If it's something that you want to do, don't let anything get in your way. Go for it, and that's honestly my biggest tip. If you could choose only one, Zoe or Lily. You guys. Okay, I have an answer to this. If you don't know, if you haven't watched my vlog, Zoe and Lily are my dog. I love my dogs both, but Zoe's my favorite. Because she's my dog. Lily's Kendall's dog. Zoe's everything I want in a dog, and Lily's everything Kendall wants in a dog. What is your ultimate date night? You guys are gonna think I'm so dumb. Anything that's free. I hate it when people spend money on me, so like a free date would be really fun. Or if like I pay for the date, then like it can, no price limit, but I hate it when people pay for me. How do you think you have grown as a person over the years? What is your greater achievement? What do you think you would be doing if you weren't making YouTube videos? By the way, I think you're really inspirational. Wow, thank you so much. I feel like I'm a lot less naive as I used to be. I'm a lot more mature. Obviously, as time goes, you get more mature. I think a lot of things that I said I wasn't gonna do in life, I have done. I feel like I've just grown as a person. I feel like YouTube is my greatest achievement. It's something I'm very proud of, and I've spent a lot of time and effort into it, and I'm proud of it. And if I wasn't making YouTube videos, I'd probably have some like part-time job at like a restaurant and like hate it. What is one important lesson you've learned this year? Oh, Kiara, hi Kiara. Let things go. I hold on to things, and I'm just bad at letting things go. And I still hold on to things that I probably shouldn't, but I feel like I've learned to just let a lot of things in life go and just move on. Do you plan on joining a sorority? I was really debating like yes and no, but I do think that I will at least rush and then see how I like it, but I would really like to join a sorority because I feel like that'd be fun. Why do we never see your dad? Sorry if it's too personal, but you said nothing's off limits. That's not too personal. My dad travels for a living, so he's always gone. Job requires him to travel, and if you have a parent that travels, you know what that's like. And he doesn't like being in my videos. One time I asked him like, hey, do you want to be in my video? And he goes, no, I don't want to be in your video. So if I'm around him, I just don't bring out my vlog camera, so it's not like it's a big deal. I gotta ask, in today's vlog, you wore an ASU shirt and got a lot of comments if that was the college you're attending. Is that true? Are you attending ASU? Love you and your videos. I love you too. Okay, so about this, obviously I'm not gonna tell you like, yeah, I'm going here, yeah, I'm going, no. Okay, well, me wearing ASU shirts, first off, I want to mention I own a lot of ASU shirts because throughout my entire life, that's like the college that my parents support. My mom got her master's from ASU. My dad started school at ASU. He didn't graduate from there, but he did go there. So that's the school that like my family supports, so I have a ton of shirts from there. Me wearing ASU shirts is either me being like really lazy and not caring if you guys know where I go to college, or me being like really sneaky and extra and like throwing you guys off and like, yeah, you think I'm going to ASU, but I'm not. So I'm either super extra or super lazy, and I am the most extra and the most lazy person you've ever met, so pick one. Which one do you think it is? Also, throwing this out there, my entire high school career, ASU was the very last school on the list of schools I wanted to go to. Do your dogs have middle names? Yes, they do. Zoe's middle name is Freckles because she has little freckles all over her snout. And Lily's middle name is Coco because we wanted to name her Coco, but it just didn't like fit her. When we first got her, she was like this super like chocolatey brown, and now she's turning gray. That girl's growing up so fast. She's getting gray hairs before me. What clique group were you in at middle high school? I was never in a clique because I never had enough friends to be in a clique. What do you spend most of your money on? Food. I wish I didn't spend as much money on food, but I do. What breed are Zoe and Lily? Zoe and Lily are both Cocker Spaniels. I get asked this all the time. Okay, this is the last question. Obviously, you'll miss the dogs when going to college. When you grow up, do you want your own dog? If so, a Cocker Spaniel or any other breed? Oh my gosh. I can't go to college. Guys, I'm not going to college. I cannot leave my dogs here. I get sad when I like go to the grocery store and I miss my dogs. Like, I can't. I didn't even think about leaving my dogs. I'm not going to college. But when I grow up, I would like dogs. I don't know if I would want Cocker Spaniels. I love Cocker Spaniels because they're like the perfect size and they don't shed. I really want a Golden Retriever, but I don't like that they shed, and I don't want a Poodle mix. I don't like Golden Doodles. Like, Golden Doodles are cute. I don't want a Poodle mix. I knew a Poodle in my life, and that Poodle was just, no poodles for me. No poodles for me. So that is the end of this Q&A. I hope that you guys got to know me a little bit better and that I can feel more like a friend and less like a person behind a screen, because I want us to be friends, you know? friends with a random girl on the internet. That's me. I'm gonna stop talking now and go. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.